What is diffusion effect? Actually, what happened in case of diffusion effect in the process, adoption and diffusion process, for transferring the innovation to the people, the main effort is given by the sense agent. From R&D, then sense agent, then the people. And on this case, what happened? Since the sense agent or extension personnel or any other people, it is not that this adoption and diffusion is related with only agricultural sector. Everywhere you will get it, and still it is a very important theory. And in every cases, whatsoever the effort given by the sense agent to motivate, to influence the farmers or the other people for a particular thing, then that effort influenced the client and some of them accepted the innovation. But it is not possible for the sense agent, or their effort is not sufficient to diffuse the innovation. And secondly, it is not that only because of the sense agent or extension personnel and innovation is transferred to farmers' field. That means diffusion or adoption is not only because of the effort of sense agent. When at the initial stage, few members of the system adopt the things, and slowly the number will increase. You just recall that curve. Slowly the number of adopters will increase, and because of this group, they also make a pressure on the other part of the system to accept the things. They also influence the people, the system's effort. That is also equally important in case of diffusion of an innovation. When because of the suppose effort of sense agent, this group will accept the things, and then this group will also create some pressure to adopt the same thing to this, then this. In this way, slowly the pressure created by the system to other parts of the system. And ultimately, what happened because of that system self-generated pressure? It is a self-generated pressure because after adopting the things, the people, they are not the sense agent, they are adopter. But when they adopt the things, they also discuss about the innovation, try to influence the others, or if some other person asks about the innovation, then they will also explain the things. But all those things they are not doing as a part of sense agent. Since they adopt the things, so they explain all these things for the betterment of other groups. And another point is that since we adopt it, you should also adopt the same thing. And so this is a self-generated pressure. For this, there is no any mechanism from the extension system or others to generate this pressure. It is a self-generated pressure, and social system-wise, this pressure will sometimes generate quickly or sometimes generate slowly, and on the basis of the innovation also that will differ. Ultimately, because of the combination of these two, one is sense agent effort and another is system effort. Because of these two, innovation is diffused in the system. People will adopt the things. This is the combination of sense agent effort plus system self-generated effort or pressure. And this pressure, this combination is called as diffusion effect. When the number of adopter will increase in this part, here the number of sense agent will not increase. The sense agent, he will work, but the number of adopter will increase day by day, and ultimately what happened, the pressure will also increase day by day, and that increasing pressure from interpersonal networks is termed as diffusion effect. This overall combination of this pressure, it is an interpersonal, because sense agent, he discuss with the people, and the system, those adopters, they also discuss with non-adopters, and because of this, the increasing interpersonal network, it creates a pressure towards the non-adopters, and ultimately the innovation is diffused in the system. It is not that only the sense agent can diffuse an innovation in the social system. The adopters' effort is also equally important, but this part is self-generated. For creating pressure, sense agent will not work anything in this part. It is a self-generated.